episode of Anime Fan X Weapons and Firearms. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
And this is gonna be a short video, like just a short video, not too long. Explain what that is.
So this is a box. It's from OpticsPlanet.com. Yep. So it's a great site for you want to get your shit, some accessories for your guns, like from rifles, shotguns, and there's some ammo too, and some accessories for, especially for AR, and pistols, and all this shit. Yeah, go check them out. We're not sponsored of any kind, so I'm just saying, just check it out. It's a good website. But in this box is a carry handle for this little baby here. This is the Wesson.
The fucking carry handle is gonna become retro. not 100%, but somewhat retro.
Yeah, like you see in,
it's gonna look badass though.
Like you see in documentaries around Vietnam War or something like that, like, or the Colt AR-15 or the Car 15. I don't know what's the difference between each one, but yeah, I wanted it to put in carry handle so I can have like a little retro style, or even though I don't want to put the.
It's gonna look like an XM177 because it has a collapsible stock instead of fixed stock.
Yeah, so I actually don't want to install the. Correct me if I'm wrong. The A2 stock, like you want to put yours. Yeah, so I still want to have have the freedom to adjust the stock, whatever, like however I need to. So yeah, so I just want to get this carry handle to make it look so nice, and just to see how it looks like and how it feels. And so basically, it's a review video and installation. So
another gunsmithing video.
Yep. So without further ado, let's just get started on this.
Let me bring my universal cutting tool.
It's over here.
Put it on the chair.
This chair?
Yeah, over here.
Alright, check this shit out. It takes a while, but it still does the trick. Well, not.
Okay, that's where you can pull it up now.
Alright, hold on, let me put this. Hopefully it doesn't.
Okay, one more step.
Okay.
There we go, now it's open.
Okay. Alright. So don't mind the background noise. Some people are partying.
Yeah. I have to buy a knife for this. That clamp is not going to hold that knife very well.
So here's a carry handle. It's from UTG. I bought this
for Milspec carry handle.
Yeah, I bought it from Optics Planet because it has good reviews. So let me see. I bought it for nearly about $70 for this. I don't want to spend too much on this carry handle, and then we'll just install this and let's see how it looks. And hopefully, we'll try it out and when we go to Verdue Canyon this Saturday and see how it works, because I heard like it could. I'm not sure if I heard like it's like stable once it shoots. Okay.
Where did I put my screwdriver?
Inside. I'm gonna open the package. So this is what it looks like. There's a front view. I don't know if you can get that. Okay, so first things first, if you have already have like a site already pre-installed, or if you don't have one already installed, you could just install it and you'd be on your way. But for this one, we're just gonna take out the Magpul site and just use I guess say a flathead screwdriver. Got the screw. Oh shit.
I guess you have to slice it.
Or is it there's another screw? Okay.
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Through the back.
Yes, okay. We're still learning. So
there you go.
So is
That's your backup thing?
yeah, that's my backup. So I'm gonna still keep using it, but we're just gonna use
I
it.
should do this instead.
Yeah. What's up? Oh, just holdable.
Yeah.
Holdable back. Oh, that looks cool though. It's just. Hold on. You gotta loosen up. Oh, I see now. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. No fucking way. Holy fuck, this looks so fucking awesome.
Down.
Wow.
Wow. It actually looks fucking badass.
Holy shit. That
Dude, this does look tight.
fuck.
There you go.
Damn, look at that. Is this all sturdy?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Damn, now I'm in Vietnam again. See how it looks. That's cool. This is fucking amazing. Maybe I gotta. Raise it up a little bit.
Oh yeah, I just saw. If you don't want the peep sight, you could, I think you flip this
Oh yeah.
to a bigger thing.
Oh sick. Oh hell yes.
That's better, huh?
Yeah. Holy fuck. That's so fucking badass. I just think this is the furthest it will go up.
Oh yeah, I see.
That's fucking tight.
Well, there you go, guys. That's the carry handle he's going to put on his NP15. And stay tuned for the shooting.
Alright.
So, see you and Merry Christmas again. Hold on. There we go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And protect your gun rights later.
Yeah.